Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings as you see and you click here in this settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will click on Duolingo. After that, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.